New to Microsoft Team? Or are you confused? I'm going to show you the basic step-by-step process on how to navigate Microsoft Team. No stress. We are going to start our Microsoft Team. So let's type on our browser Microsoft Team. So this is Microsoft Team. This is the icon for Microsoft Team, the second one here. So you click on Microsoft Team. And if you don't want to sign into Microsoft Team and maybe you want to just join a meeting, you can go ahead and join the meeting direct. But if you want to use Microsoft Team and you want to sign in, you just go straight here. So when you sign into your Microsoft Team, it takes you to this environment, and we're going to talk about chatting on Microsoft Team. Now, chatting on Microsoft Team is just as you chat with your normal WhatsApp, but with little differences. You can send messages, you can send files, you can send pictures, you can do a video call, you can do a voice call, and you can start a group chat. So it's basically all the features that you can do on your normal WhatsApp. So we're going straight to talk about how to set a meeting. Just like your Google Meet, on Microsoft Team, you can create your meeting link and share to people to join. You can schedule a meeting for later, and you can join a meeting when you are sent the link. Now, you can also search for people on Microsoft Team using contact. You can also search for communities to join on Microsoft Team. Now, if you want to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Team, you can come to your calendar and schedule the meeting. So basically, 90% of the work you do on your Microsoft Team happens at this left hand side of the Microsoft Team. Now going to the right hand side is where you set your profile. If you are not available, you can set to busy, do not disturb, be right back, or you can appear away. So you can also set a status message just as you set status message on WhatsApp. You can also set a status message on Microsoft Teams. So basically, that is all the basic thing we need to know about Microsoft Teams. Thank you. That's Microsoft Team made easy. If you want to get more remote tips on how to use basic tech tools, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification. Bye.